Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. All over the world, Muslims are celebrating the holy month of Ramadan, in which they are fasting from dawn till sunset. COVID-19 has impact on all aspects of life, and same is true for Ramadan. This Ramadan is unlike any other Ramadan. Thousands of families are apart, and my family is one of those. My daughter and I are breaking our fast here in Saudi Arabia, Riyadh. My elder son is in Pakistan with his father, and my younger son is in Montreal. So this table is for 5, but we are 2 only. So I am grateful that we have too many things to break our fast. So this is a popular dish from Pakistan, chicken with bitter gourd, green pea rice from yesterday's leftover, potato fritters, potatoes coated with chickpea flour, very popular during Ramadan. I did not cook any of these things, and that's a blessing too. Rosewater syrup, again popular in subcontinent, especially during Ramadan. Sweet fritters, a mix of fruits, we call it fruit chaat. It is also yesterday's leftover, and this green salad is also yesterday's leftover. Of course, dates, a must part of breaking the fast, and lemonade. Now let's move to Pakistan. My son has decided to break the fast with his cousins at a place that is 87 kilometers away from where he stays. So this is the place. There are many fast food restaurants and other restaurants too. They choose to have McDonald's and some Hardee's to break their fast. So they just pick their food and then they decide to go back home. Here it is. Now let's move to Montreal. These are the snacks. My son is about to break his fast with these snacks done by his friend's mom for him, and this is his dinner. I think he's the one who cooked it. That's it. I hope you will like it, and kindly share this video with your family if you two are apart. And kindly subscribe my channel. It's a great help from your side, and please share your thoughts and leave a like. Take care of yourself. Your safety is very important. Stay safe. Bye.